Check it out, guys. This is this 300 short wheelbase outside drive Busa that we have for sale. This bike's been reduced down to $12,900. This was a pretty expensive build when done. Lots of little details, stuff like the forks have been removed and powder coated, the triple trees. I mean, everything on this bike has had hands on it. Everything was completely built by Daniel at All Things Chrome. It's got a 4-in-1 Voodoo. It's got the Roaring Toyz 300 outside drive kit. So this bike only has one chain and 2 sprockets, so there's a lot less maintenance involved with it. This bike has air ride and LED lights with remote already installed. But as you can see, this thing is just dripping with every kind of part made by All Things Chrome. So very nice bike. We've dropped the price of this bike down to $12,900. So if somebody wants to steal a fat tire Busa today, this is your ticket. Don't sleep on this one.